The wait is almost over. Nothing is gearing up to launch its latest smartphone lineup, and leaks are giving us a sneak peek at what to expect. Introducing the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro. Powerful, sleek, and packed with exciting new features. But is the hype real? Let's dive in. First up, the Nothing Phone 3A will be available in two variants, an 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model and a 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage option. Meanwhile, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is set to launch with a single configuration of 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Models will come in two stylish colors. The Phone 3A will be available in black and white, while the Pro version gets an exclusive gray variant. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A is expected to feature the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, promising smooth performance for everyday use. This will be paired with a stunning 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers and content lovers alike. And yes, it will run on Nothing OS 2.1, based on Android 15, ensuring a clean and seamless experience. A massive 5000 mAh battery powers the device, with 45-watt wired charging support, keeping you powered up throughout the day. And of course, the signature Glyph lighting makes a return, adding a futuristic touch. Now let's talk cameras. The Nothing Phone 3A will boast a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. A first for Nothing phones. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie shooter is expected. Recent leaks reveal a horizontally aligned camera module with an LED flash placed above it. However, the design remains somewhat hidden under a protective case, leaving the Glyph light setup a mystery for now. Mark your calendars. The Nothing Phone 3A series is tipped to launch on March 4th. But here's where things get interesting. Earlier reports suggested that Nothing might also launch the flagship Phone 3 and possibly a third mysterious device on March 5th. But according to tipster Yogesh Brar, the Phone 3 may not make an appearance at the event. So what could this third device be? A new accessory? A tablet? Or maybe another smartphone variant? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure. The Nothing Phone 3A series is shaping up to be a game changer. What do you think of these leaks? Are you excited for the launch? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.